everything we know how to do to try to crash this computer, and so you'll get a good feel for what that's like.
Says they're gonna blast their way down.
Strap on the nitro. Will depend on the courage of 6.
On a rescue mission, we don't vote, we don't question, we don't argue. You listen and do exactly as I say.
Let's light it.
It's gonna blow! The nitro is gonna blow!
So, we finally have the underpinnings of a super modern kernel so that we can now make the Mac OS super robust. And I think you're going to find that the public beta is very robust already, and it's only going to get even better. So again, here's the QuickTime channels as an example. We can go stream something off them. Here's, as an example, one in one of the French sites here. You get the idea. We can go to CNN and stream off CNN if we want. Again, all this stuff is working.
Oh, great, of course, of course. After almost 5 months to be free, it's something you'd never be able to do.
Anyway, that's CNN. So that is QuickTime. Now let me go. I want to launch the music player here, and I'm going to go to my documents, and I'm going to launch a playlist out of here. And you can see when apps launch, they bounce on the bottom just to tell you they're launching, which is nice. And here we go. This is just a little doodad that I can... So I can just leave this over here and do my work if I want to. I can also bring up, I can go forward a song if I want, or back a song. Bring up this. So very, very simple. You can play music off MP3s. You can play music off your audio CDs, whatever you'd like. Okay. Now I'm going to launch IE. And let's see what we got here. So this is our Apple site, which we know and love. But let me go ahead and I've got, again, another site here in France. So you get the idea. And IE is working great. We've got Flash built into it. We've got Shockwave built into it. And so it's really nice. All right. So rather than wait for the internet, we'll move on. Now what I'd like to do is launch an application that you might not use, but it demonstrates the underlying technology that can be used in every single app on Mac OS X. So this is a very simple application called a PDF compositor. Just show you the power of the underlying graphics. And I'm going to go back here to my documents. And I've got a folder with some elements that are PDF. They happen to be the Toy Story logo, which I love. But this is a PDF of Toy Story, as you can see. And as you know, with PDFs, you can grow them and shrink them, and you can rotate them around and do whatever you'd like. You can put shadows on them, etc., and do whatever you'd like to do. And we'll go ahead and put this over here, and of course Toy Story 2. And we'll go back here, and let's see, with this one we might make it smaller, like this. And we can change the layering and do anything we want. We can send this to the back or bring it to the front. But the fun part about all this is that we can demonstrate transparency, of course. And this is built in to the basic graphics of the system. And I can drag a picture on here if I want to. And I could say, you know, what does every child have on his mind? Well, you know. Now, we also have OpenGL built in, which we talked about earlier. So let me go ahead and show you what that is like. And here's just a simple bottle here. And we've put this image on, and we'll go ahead and animate it right now. And it's going round and round. But as you can see, we can take this over here. Let me get it back here. Let me go like this. And as you can see, even as it's moving, we can change the transparency from opaque to virtually transparent. And it's pretty amazing, actually, what this stuff can do. So, you get the idea. Okay. So now, the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to log out, and I'm going to log back in as somebody else, one of my colleagues, Pascal, because the system, let's see, the system remembers your preferences by user. It's a multi-user system, and Pascal speaks French, and here we have a French system. Right? All done. And here's the new Mail app, which is really nice. But again, you can see iCards in there and different messages. Very simple. All anti-alias text. Very nice. Exactly what you would hope it would be. So, this is a simple demo of Mac OS X. You can buy your copy today at the booth. You can order a copy off the Apple Store. We are anxious to know what you think. And we would love any feedback so we can keep making it better and better and better. Because this is the future of the Macintosh. And we want to know what you think of it. So Mac OS X coming out. Public beta today. We'll ship it early next year. It will run on all of our existing products, a fantastic suite of products that we have. And almost all of them are new in the last 8 weeks. The strongest product lineup we have had in our history. So we've got some buses that are going to take us over to the Expo. Let's go over there now and see this stuff. Thank you very much.